Thanks, Jerome. Now, two-time World Championship finalist Oblique Seville says all three of Jamaica's men in the 100 meters can be on the podium when the dust clears in Paris. Jordan Forge, who is covering the Olympics for us in the French capital, caught up with Seville after a training session ended earlier today.
Oblique Seville set off talks of a potential gold medal when he beat world champion Noah Lyles at the race's Grand Prix in Kingston at the start of June. Since then, his compatriot Kishane Thompson, who stormed past him to take the national title in a world-leading 9.77 seconds, opened Jamaica's eyes to the possibility of a pair of medals in the City of Lights. And after a training session in Paris on Friday, 23-year-old Seville was not shy in adding world indoor bronze medalist Akeem Blake to the list as a medal contender when the ink dries on August 4 in the Stade de France.
If I compete the same way that I competed at trials, I think I can be on the podium. And both of us, our three of us can be on the podium. I guess if I run about 9.8, I think I can be on the podium. 9.80, I think I can be on the podium.
Seville, who has not competed since the national championships, revealed that he got injured in the final of the 100 meters at trials. He also spoke about his decision to visit world-renowned German sports medicine specialist Dr. Hans Müller-Wohlfahrt.
I booked that appointment before the championship, but funny did you know that at the trials I actually picked up a little strain, but which was working in my favor, that I booked the appointment before. So that's why I went to Dr. Müller. Because if I didn't book that appointment, maybe I would be a little stranded right now.
The diminutive sprinter says he is now 100% healthy. In the meantime,